On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings. And now it's time for that lady who has one of her golden rings on her finger, Teri Rice.
Let's hear it from my MC. You know, I have to start this every day with coughing. I'm hoping to be over it soon. I thought it was over it, and then I kind of got frozen and couldn't recover. Okay, so I bought this dye from Temu, and if you see my Temu haul, then you've seen it. So I've cut out 3 of them, and you know, I said I wasn't gonna do, you know, the amount of whatever, but I think I did every day but the 4 calling birds. I only did 2. And actually Ginger's list is totally different than what I had written down, because I just wrote them down like the 12 days of Christmas. So on the days that I don't have anything for, I'm definitely gonna mix it up. And even one of hers, I gotta pull off this glue here. Even one of hers, she's got an elf on it, and that's what I needed. So I'm gonna use an elf on a different day. So, anyway, so I've got these 6 rings, and I'm gonna overlap 2 of them. I just think this would be so cute, like if you were doing a, like a December daily. I mean, you could use these in there, and so I thought it'd be cute to kind of stay close to the theme. And so I am still gonna try to stay close to the theme. Oops, I got too much here, because this ring should overlap this one. So it's like you do have to kind of work it out. So I'm gonna do this, and when I put it together, I thought, oh, this kind of reminds me of something, and it's like, yeah, I'll show you what it reminds me of in a second. Okay, you got to kind of hold it down because of the gold foil. Okay, and then I'm going to put it here because I don't want to accidentally see it. So I'm just doing a little bit on the other side of that heart, and a little bit on the other side of this heart. And then I'm just going to overlap them like this. I really like how they look like that. I thought about in a chain, but I like them like this. But I said it kind of looks like the Olympics. So yeah, if you blinked, you missed it. Now, I am going to be back later with my collection obsession for December, and I am feeling better, so hopefully I can get through it. Last month, it was all I could do to, you know, just get through the month. Excuse me. And I'm also going to try to continue with my last month's collection obsession. So my goal is to use 2 collection obsessions this month, the one for December and the one I had for November. So thank you for joining me. Come back in 15 minutes and I'm gonna have the next video up, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you later. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye. Oh, make sure you check out the list down below of everybody else who's playing, and you can go to that one click, and that's where you can see all the videos. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.